Indonesia reserves the geothermal energy that reaches 40% of the world's energy reserves. Based on data from PT Pertamina Geothermal Energy, Indonesia's geothermal energy reached 27,000 megawatts, while the energy that just has been utilized is only around 1,200 megawatts. This is the reason why Indonesia needs to switch to geothermal energy, because the potential of geothermal energy in Indonesia is very large. It is also ease of technology and sustainable and does not need fuel supply. But the problems are, geothermal energy power plants generators can have an impact that may cause threat to the environment: land subsidence, reduction of groundwater or spring water, deforestation, and erosion. Another thing to be aware is the impact of the construction of geothermal power plant generators in the forest area is indigenous to local communities in the form of values which consisting the culture, norms, customs, institutions, and customary laws around the forest. So what is the solution? The Ecotrisula Geothermal is the concept of aligning these interests of parties involved in the construction of geothermal power plant generators among communities, governments, and business, which these such concepts is sustainable for development of geothermal power plant generators with integrated agroforestry in order to realize self-sufficiency in food and energy. Pumped hydro is the energy storage technologies for geothermal power plant generators. The idea is creating an artificial waterfall, a system equipped with two water reservoirs with different height. When the demand for electricity is low, the electric motors rotate the pump to lift water from a lower reservoir to the high reservoir. During the peak loads, high water from the reservoir flows into the turbine to turn the generators and produce electricity. The system is suitable for very large power. The technology is concerned for the environment and integrated forest because there will be no destruction of forest ecosystems in Indonesia because it only utilizes water reservoirs around. Agroforestry system will have more advantages when integrated with geothermal power plants because the source of electricity is a critical need to realize rapid development system in an underdeveloped area. Thus, agroforestry can provide the productivity, diversity, independence, and stability to achieve full self-sufficiency and energy. So, Ecotrisula Geothermal can be realized with good and sustainable development of geothermal power plants in Indonesia.